Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day or night wherever you're at. And tonight is another episode of What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. And what you're looking at is some raw chicken breast here. And what I'm going to be doing is like a chicken, sort of like a chicken baked casserole sort of thing, I think. It's not my recipe. I got it off of the Campbell'S website. And you'll need a can of mushroom soup, some peas and carrots, and some rice. And I have Uncle Ben's rice here. And this is broccoli and cheddar flavored, but I'm just using the rice out of here. And also you'll need a cup, I think it's a cup of water. And it's very easy, and I will show you how I'm going to put it all together. Please stay tuned. So I put a little bit of olive oil and I've got my rice in there, and I'm going to put the cream of mushroom soup and the peas and carrots in next. So now I've got the olive oil, the rice, the carrots and peas, and the can of cream of mushroom soup, and 1 cup of water in there. I know it doesn't really look like much, but I'm going to pepper and salt the chicken now, and I'm going to put that in. So I've got the chicken breast in there, and I'm going to put the lid on this, and you set your oven to 375, and you put it in for you put it in for 45 minutes. And then you need to grate some cheese. I forgot to tell you, you need some cheese, grated cheese, and then you put that on the top, and you just let it bubble on the top. Well, I'll show you that when we get there, but you do need some cheese. So I'm going to put it in the oven once this is preheated, and such an easy meal. And I've made this once a couple of weeks ago. I should have filmed it then, but I forgot. And like I said, this isn't my recipe. I got it off the Campbell'S website, and this actual recipe, there's a couple things, like I think you're supposed to add onion and garlic powder or something like that. I don't like onions. Most of you already know that. And I didn't have any garlic, some sort of I think it's garlic powder or something. I don't have any of that. So and I think you were supposed to use 4 chicken breasts, but there's only my husband and I. So alright, we'll see you back when it's all done. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's been in there for 45 minutes at 375, and I have some grated cheese here. I'm going to sprinkle that on top, and then put it under the broiler until it's just melted, and then I will be back to show you the plated version. And here the cheese has been melted, and I'm going to put it on a plate. Drum roll, please. Dum 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 dum. Here we go, my darlings. Here's our supper tonight. It's a chicken breast bake, if you will, from Campbell'S. So here it is, and it's actually pretty yummy. And like I said, it's not my recipe, but yum, yum, yum. So thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe you'll give it a try, or maybe you've already made this. If you have, let me know down below. I'd love to hear. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo. Thank you. Thanks for watching.